Peter.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. We're in the van because we've stopped by our lot to check it out. Exciting news.
It would be so fun to climb up the dirt mountain.
Yes, but Mom said no. Okay, so we got to be safe. So anyways, we'll show you. Very exciting. All right, this is our lot. It's pretty dark, but they said they were gonna break ground this week sometime, so pretty exciting. All right, we're driving through our neighborhood, and there's this fantastic house at the end of the street. It's all lit up for Halloween. It has a giant skeleton in the yard.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, the projector isn't going. In the upper window, they have a projector, like playing a rear projector, I assume, playing a witch, like jumping around in the window around her cauldron. But it's so funny. Look at that humongous skeleton. Okay, they have officially broken ground. We're in the dark, so it's hard to see. I'm gonna see if I can turn on my... Hang on. Okay. Okay. Wow, look at this, guys. This is so awesome.
What? Are those poles there?
They've got
Those squares will be
foundation.
where they are going to put the footers for the poles.
Oh man, awesome.
This is cement. It's not dirt.
Put that down.
Put it down and don't mess.
Cement.
Oh, you cannot go down there,
You can't go
sir.
down there.
Oh boy.
And that's our garage over there.
Yes. Cool.
Oh,
Woohoo.
so awesome.
We're super excited, right guys? Are we super
Yay,
excited?
excited.
Woo!
Eli,
Awesome.
this is
So cool.
Alright.
Get off the pile of dirt.
All right, we gotta go home. It's late.
What our basement's gonna be.
So cool.